once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of
Hi guys, Mon Montenegro. So for today's video, andito tayo sa Scout Island, 100 Islands, Alaminos City, Pangasinan. So, yan, si Mami, picture sila dyan. Bakit na tayo? So, super quick lang to guys kasi maglalawlaw ako dito. Then makakit kami ng ano. Mami Jeng, okay ka lang dyan? Thank you po. So, Jeng Jeng! Let's go! So, super quick lang itong vlog natin guys. Siguro mga 3 minutes lang to kasi maglalawlaw tayo dito. So guys, as you can see the sand, ayan, napakalinaw. Wala pa ring tatalo kayong malig ay kay ano? Kay Scout Island, kay 100 Islands guys. Ayan. So, 3 minutes lang tayo dito guys kasi maglalawlaw tayo. I'm so excited. So, mag-video tayo rito. Medyo malaki tiyan ko guys. So, ito yung rock formation here. And, ayan. Ayan. Mami Jeng! Hi! Neil! Say hello! Hello, Long! Uno! Say hello to my vlog! Ayan. So, super quick lang tayo guys. Abutin na natin ng 2 minutes. Kasi maglalawlaw tayo dito. Yun lang! Bye-bye!